Hello everyone, I am Dishakya of CSC Cyber Security Department. Today I am going to discuss about the plantation and adoption of the tree. Introduction. Planting and adopting a tree is a meaningful way to contribute the environment. Trees provide oxygen, improves the air quality and offer the habit of the wildlife. By planting and adopting the tree, we can help the climate change and create the sustainable future. Benefits of a planting trees. Trees helps to reduce the air pollution by capturing the harmful gases and filtrating the particulates. Planting trees can mitigate the effect of the climate change by absorbing the carbon dioxide. Trees provide the shade, reduce the energy cost and increase the property values. Choosing the right tree. Consider the climate, soil type and available the space when we select the tree to plant. Choose the native tree species that well situated to the local environment. Research the tree growth habit, size at the maturity and maintenance requirement. Tree planting preparation. Select a suitable planting location with a sunlight, water and drainage. Dig a hole twice as wide but no deeper than the tree ball. Remove any grass from a planting area and amend the soil if necessary. Planting the tree. Carefully remove the tree from its container. Place the tree in the center of the planting hole and blackfill the soil. Water the tree thoroughly after the planting to help to establish its roots. Conclusion. Planting and adopting a tree is a powerful way to make a positive impact on the environment. Trees provide the benefits of ecosystem, communities and future generations. By activity participant in the tree planting and adopting the efforts, we can create the greener and healthier planet for the all. Next, we discuss about the heritage walk and craft corners. Introduction to Heritage Walk and Craft Corner. Heritage Walk offers a unique way to explore the history and culture of the place. Craft Corners provides a platform for the local artisan to showcase the traditional craftsmanship. Combining with both the elements creates the rich culture experience for the visitors. Benefits of Heritage Walk. Heritage Walk helps to preserve and promotes the culture heritage of a region. They offer the insight into the history of the tradition of the area. Walking tourism promotes the sustainable tourism and the local support the businesses. Types of a craft at a craft corners. The craft corners may feature varieties of a traditional handcraft such as a pottery, weaving, and wood crafting. Artisans often demonstrate their skill, providing the hand-on experience for the visitors. Visitors can purchase the unique and direct from the craftsman. Importance of supporting the local artisan. By supporting the local artisan, the visitors contribute to prevention of the traditional craft. Purchasing the handcraft directly from the artisan ensure the fair for their skill and labor. Supporting the local artisan helps the sustainable traditional livelihood and cultural heritage. Preserving the intangible cultural heritage. Heritage Walk and Craft Corners play a vital role in preserving the intangible cultural heritage. By showing case traditional craft and storytelling, they safeguard cultural practices they pass it down through the generation. This helps to raise the awareness about the importance of the preserving the intangible cultural heritage for the future generations. Conclusion. Embracing the heritage and creativity. Heritage Walk and Craft Corners offer a dynamic blend of the history, culture and creativity. By participating in these activities, visitors can gain a deeper appreciation of the rich heritage of a region. Embracing the heritage and creativity through the experience enriches the culture, land space and the sense of the collection and belonging. Next, we discuss about the organic farming and waste management. Introduction to organic farming and the waste management. Organic farming is a method of agriculture of natural input and process to the natural maintain the soil fertility. Waste management in organic farming involves utilizing the organic waste as a compost and minimize the use of synthetic fertilizers and pesticides. The integration of organic farming and waste management practice helps to promote the environmental sustainability and reduce the chemical pollution. Benefits of organic farming. Organic farming promotes the biodiversity by avoiding the use of a synthetic chemical that can harm the beneficial organism. Organic farming helps to improve the soil health and fertility through the soil compost and cover the crops and crop protection. Organic farming reduces the environmental impact of the agriculture by minimizing the use of fossil fuels and synthetic inputs. Principles of organic waste management. Organic waste management in organic farming involves the recycle of the agricultural crops. Composting is a common practice in organic waste management to convert the organic waste into nutrition-rich compost of a soil fertility. Vermicomposting uses a worm to decompose the organic waste is another effective method of organic waste management. Composting process in organic waste management. Composting is a biological process that involves the decomposition of organic materials by a microorganism. Composting process requires a balance of a carbon-rich and nutrition-rich materials, moisture and oxygen. Importance of the organic waste recycling in organic farming. Organic waste recycling helps to reduce the synthetic fibers by providing the natural nutrients to the crops. Organic waste recycling closes the nutrient cycle in organic farming, promoting the sustainability and reducing the environmental pollution. Conclusion. Organic farming and waste management play a vital role in promoting the sustainable agriculture and environment. By adopting the organic farming practice and implement the effective waste management strategies, we can create the more resource efficient agriculture system for the further generations. Next, we discuss about the water conservation. Introduction to water conservation. Water conservation is a practice of using the water efficient to reduce the unnecessary waste. Conserving the water helps to reduce the environmental and ensure the sustainability water supply for the future generation. It is crucial for the individual, communities and industry to adopt the water saving practices. Importance of a water conservation. Water is a finite resource and only a small percentage of a world water is suitable for the human use. By conserving the water, we can help to protect the ecosystem, reduce the energy consumption and save the money on the water bill. Sustainable water management is essential for address the water scarcity. Household water conservation. Fix the leakage pipes to prevent the water wastage. Use the dishwasher and washing machine only when we are the full to optimize the water use. Outdoor water conservation practices. Choose the drought resistant plant for landscape to minimize the water need. Collect the rainwater for the outdoor watering to conserve the tap water. Industrial water conservation strategies. Recycle and reuse the water in industrial purposes to minimize the freshwater intake. To implement the water efficient and the technologies to reduce the water consumption. Conclusion. Water conservation is a shared responsibility that requires the individual and collective effort. By adopting the water saving practice in our daily lives, supporting the water conservation, we can make a positive impact on the environmental and future generations. Next, we discuss about the food walk. Introduction to the food walk. Food walk are the guided tourism that focus on exploring the local and the food culture. Participants get a taste of a varieties dishes, learn about the traditional cooking methods, and interact with the local vendors. Food walk offers a unique opportunity to experience a destination. Benefits of food walk. Food walk provide a deeper understanding of a destination history, culture, and traditional through its food. Food walk promotes the sustainable tourism by supporting the local business and showcase the traditional food practices. Planning a food walk. Research a food sense of a destination to find the best food walk option. Book a food walk with a tourism company or a local guide to ensure the safe and enjoyable experience. Food walk. Food walk lasted 2 to 4 hours that include the multi-stop at a local eaters market or a street food vendors. Food walk are the usually go to out with a group of the peoples. Top food walk destination. The cities like Bangkok, Istanbul or the varieties of food and destination. Emerging the food destination like Lima, Hanoi and the Cape Town are gaining a popularity of their the unique flavors and their the food. Conclusion. Food walk are delicious and they explore the destination of the heritage and local flavors. By participating in a food walk, travelers can support your local business, connect with the communities and create a lasting memories through the food experience.